taste it? Yum, yum, yum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayan, mayroon akong spare ribs or pork spare ribs at choco or sayote. Ayan. So, I'm going to cook. Guess what I'm gonna cook, guys? Pero yung mga Filipina siguro alam na nila kung anong lulutuin ko. Ayan. Alam na nyo, no? Mga Pinoy dyan nag-watch sa akin ngayon. Alam nyo na kung ano? Okay, let's start cooking, guys. But first, we're gonna cut this pork thinly and this one. Ayan. So, stay tuned, guys. So, ayan, guys. I got this pork spare ribs cuts already. So, ready to put in the pot. Ayan. So, the pot, no oil in it, guys. Because I just want to cook the pork on its own fat. Ayan. We drop the pork. So when it's brown, we drop the garlic and onion. And for the orange garlic, that color like that, guys. So you add the garlic now. And this onion. So now you know what I'm going to cook, guys. I'm going to do it's a ginisang sayote with pork. Ayan, or stir fried tofu with pork. In English. Ayan, so diba? Ayan, nag-get nyo na. It's just a simple and easy quick cooking of my sayote rice. Ayan. So I can smell the yummy smell. Nice smell. So we add this one. Ayan. That's okay. We add it na. Ayan. So I use salt, Ayan. Half of it only, guys. Half. And so this one, guys, the first one, just little one, maybe 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon, just to have a color in it. Ayan, guys. So we add water here, guys. Just a little bit. So it will simmer there. Ayan. Bring it to simmer. Ayan. So lid on. We'll come back later. So, ayan guys, we're gonna check our sayote. Ayan, nag-bird siya. Nag-bird. O, ayan. Check natin yung sayote kung luto na ba siya, guys. Luto na. Yum. Yummy. Luto na siya, guys. So, in just 10 minutes, cook na siya, guys. Ayan, kasi kinakat ko ng small pieces, kaya ayan, madali lang siya maluto. Ayan. Ayan. So, now, I'm just gonna add pepper, guys. I don't need to add salt anymore because the taste, it's good. It's already yummy, but I like a pepper because I forgot pepper before, so I add pepper. Ayan. Ayan, guys, how much I put the pepper. Spinning. Ayan. So I stir it. Ayan. Guys, so this is my stir-fried choco with pork. Ayan. Or ginisang sayote. Ayan, very simple and easy. It's yum. Ayan, taste it. Yum, yum, yum. Ayan, so let's serve it. It's ready to serve. Let's start eating. Ayan, eating time. Ayan siya, guys. So, diba? Ang sarap mo. Sarap tingnan. Ayan. Lid on mo muna. Kuha ako ng bowl. Ayan. Ayan siya. Siya, guys, may stir fry choco. Ooh, yummy. Yummy. Ayan siya, very yummy. Ayan, try siya, guys. Ayan siya, rice. May rice siya. Ayan, time to eat, guys. I got my rice because I like with rice. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan, my hubby there, guys. He's eating as well. So,
it's nice.
It's nice. You like it?
It's okay because I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Ayan. Sarap, guys. This is my breakfast or our breakfast.
Except I don't have a knife.
Can't I, guys? Yummy. Ito nga pala yung ano ko, yung pinafreeze ko sa freezer, yung lemonsito or kumquat or calamansi juice. Calamansi juice, guys. So, frozen siya, guys. Lagyan natin ng cold water. Ayan. At ito yung drinks ko. Nilagyan ko na ng water, guys. So, we're just gonna stir it. Stir. So, my calamansi juice. My drink for breakfast. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. You like it? Ayan. Ayan. You're getting yellow there, guys. Kamay ko, guys. Mas masarap pag magkamay. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video. Leave comments and please subscribe if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you again for my next videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.